Welcome everyone. So this one is a bit tricky. The question over here is 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to 2x plus 7 raised to 3x, and we need to find the value of obviously 8x, and all of this is equals to 155. Okay. So here what we'll do is we'll take the help of algebra and make 7 raised to x equals to a. So what we get over here is a plus a square plus a cube equals to 155. And for the next step, what I can do is a plus a square plus a cube minus 155 equals to 0. Okay. So what happens over here is now we'll try and substitute value of a in such a way that this equation holds true. Now if you see, if I put 1, it's not correct. 2 also it is not correct. 3 also it won't correct. But see, now the hint over here is what directly 5 is there over here. Okay, so you should have not done all of this. You should have directly gone and done, made a or tried a value as nothing but what? 5. Okay, so I will try a equals to 5, and if you see, your entire equation is holding true. Okay. So your first value for this particular thing or for a is nothing but 5. Now let's try and find the rest of the values of a. For that, we'll do what? Synthetic division, and that is nothing but what? Put this particular value of a, which is 5, and then what we'll do is take the highest coefficient, power coefficient, that is what? 1 over here. Similarly, here also a square is also 1, a is also 1, and then we have a 155. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll take this 1 directly down. Okay, then we'll multiply 1 and 5, we get what? 5. Okay, and then we will add them. 1 plus 5 gets you what? 6. 6 into 5 gets you what? 30. You add them, 30 plus 1, 31. 31 into 5 gets you what? 155. So when you, sorry, 150, it becomes 155. Okay, so here what happens is this value has to be 0. See, if you get this value as 0, means your everything what you have done till now is correct. Okay, and for those of you who don't understand how to do this, I have made a separate video on doing synthetic divisions or polynomials, how to solve polynomials. Okay, I'll put up a link of that somewhere on the top or at the end of the video. Please go ahead and check it out. Now your entire job doesn't get over here, because this you still need to figure out. Okay, so here this can be written in the form of what? Again a polynomial, and we'll take here, we'll write this as what? A square. See, you will go from your right to left. Okay, so 31 will be what? Written as it is, and 6 will come with a, 6a, and a square will be written as it is, because just the coefficient over a square is just 1. Okay, and when you solve this further, you actually see that your delta is what? Less than 0. And since a is a what? 7 raised to x. Okay, a equals to 7 raised to x. So your, if delta is 0, means this value of x becomes what? Imaginary. So we don't accept this value. Okay, so basically what we can say is, therefore 7 raised to x, we can just have one value of a, which is nothing but what? 5. Okay, and taking log on both sides, I'll get x equals x log 7 equals to 5. Sorry, not 5, we will have log 5, right? And dividing both sides, we get what? X equals to log 5 upon log 7, which can also be written as just nothing but what? Log 5 to the base 7. That is, my dear friends, the value. I'll just write it over here properly. Log 5 to the base 7. That, my dear friends, is the value for x for this particular